Your plant got uprooted. Maybe it was the wind. Maybe your pet went digging. Or maybe you pulled it out by mistake. Either way, it looks hopeless lying there on the ground. But what if I told you this plant isn't finished yet? That with the right steps, it can come back even stronger than before? Here's how. The first thing you do is not rush to replant it. Most people make this mistake. Instead, take a deep breath and gently look at the roots. Are they white and firm? That's a good sign. It means life is still flowing through them. But if you see dark, mushy ones, those are already dead. Don't panic. Just trim them carefully with clean scissors. You're not hurting the plant, you're giving it a fresh chance. Now, feel the stem. If it's soft and squishy, the damage might be serious. But if it's green, flexible, or even just firm, you've still got hope. Cut away any broken or yellow leaves. Every bit of damage you remove gives the plant less to heal and more energy to survive. But here's where most people go wrong. They shove the plant right back into old soil. That's like asking someone to recover in the same environment that injured them. You need fresh, healthy, breathable soil. Not too dry, not soaking wet, just airy and slightly moist. Mix in a little compost if you have it. It's like giving your plant a care package for the road ahead. Now hold the plant. This part is personal. Dig a small hole deep enough for the roots to spread comfortably. Gently lower the plant in. Don't press too hard. Don't bury it too deep. The base of the stem should stay just above the surface, like it's standing tall again. Water slowly, not a flood, just a deep, gentle soak to settle the roots. And then, don't rush it into sunlight. That's another mistake. Put it somewhere calm, where it gets soft, in direct light. It needs time to catch its breath before facing the world again. If the plant is leaning, give it a little support with a stick or small stake. Tie it loosely, like a friend lending a hand. You can mist the leaves once a day if they look dry, especially in summer heat. But here's something important, don't feed it yet. No fertilizer. Wait until you see new leaves or buds. That's your plant telling you, I'm back. And that moment, that first new leaf, is worth everything. You started with a plant that looked gone. And now you're watching it stand up again, leaf by leaf. That's the beauty of nature. It doesn't give up, and neither should you. So next time your plant gets uprooted, don't throw it away. Try this. Watch it come back to life. And when it does, you'll know you made it happen. If this helped, give it a like, and share it with someone who's ever said, I can't keep plants alive. Because maybe, they just didn't know how to bring them back. And if you want to see that comeback journey with your own eyes, subscribe, because we've got more plant rescues, transformations, and garden magic coming soon.